Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are fine and at home. Well, this time I thought of doing a Q&A since I haven't done one, and the only Q&A I did was about COVID, which was like a few months back when I had tested positive for COVID. But I haven't done a Q&A, so I thought why not do this time. So I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video, and without any further delay, let's just start the Q&A. By the way, today I also received few of the goodies from Smitten which I had ordered to give in the giveaway. So I just thought of showing you that in the video so that you know what exactly I'll be giving you guys. So this is the utility pouch, which I'll be giving to the first winner. And all the things that I'll be showing you now are for the first winner. Second winner वाली अभी आई नहीं because मैंने कल ही order place करा है. This is lip/eye pencil from Bonjour. I don't know about their lip pencil, how it is exactly, but I have used their foundation and it is amazing. So I'm sure this would be also good. So that's why I'm giving it away in the giveaway. Then there is this sheet mask. This is from Sheer Secrets, and this one has watermelon in it. Then there is this sheet mask. It has lavender in it, and it is from Organic Harvest. Then there is this sheet mask from All Mask, and the other one is also from All Mask. This is chocolate flavored, and the other one is with argan oil. This one is for normal to dry skin. Oily skin people cannot use it, so I haven't used this one. These are the goodies that I have received as of now. More will be coming from Nykaa, but there's a problem which I'm facing, so I wanted to ask you guys a thing. So the lipsticks that I had promised to give to the first winner aren't available on Nykaa as of now. The shades aren't available. The lipstick is available in different shades. So these are the shades that are available, and these are the shades I had promised to give, but they aren't available. So do let me know if you are okay with these shades, then I'll give that in the giveaway. Or if you guys want that shade, for that you'll have to wait a little. So do let me know your views about this. And now without any further delay, let's just start the Q&A finally. So the first question is, what is your age and what are you doing now? Well, I am 19 years old and I'm in the first year of journalism and mass communication. So now the second question is, well, it's funny, actually it's not a question. This is my friend who has written, "Hi, I am from Maybelline and I want to sponsor you 1 crore rupees and Mercedes." Okay, so like Ashwini, do let me know कि मुझे आगे क्या करना चाहिए. Should I come to Mumbai to take both of the things from you, or you'll be coming here to give me them? Please बताना क्या करना है. Message me, or either you can comment Ashwini, please. She's a little crack. Actually थोड़ी छोटी है. So now the next question is, when did you start your YouTube channel? Well, I started my YouTube channel on 29th of October 2020. Although YouTube, when you check out my YouTube profile and you go in the about section, there it shows that I started this YouTube channel in September 2016. It also gives a date, I don't remember exactly what, but that was when I created my Google account. That's the reason it says that YouTube joined in 2016, but I started the channel, I uploaded my first video in 2020, which is October 2020. So I started my channel on 29th of October 2020 in short. Also, I wanted to like request you guys a thing, and also tell you guys a thing, that how actually YouTube works. So like for any creator to monetize his or her content, YouTube needs 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time from that creator in a span of 12 months, which is about 1 year. So if I talk, like I uploaded my first video on 29th of October, and on by 28th of October 2021 I need to reach the milestone of 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time, which is like a lot. If you ask me honestly, मेरा भी कहता है कितना watch time है, it's I think 180 or 185 hours, जिसमें से जो monetization में गया है that's only 175 hours. And why? Because like sometimes I make a few videos जिसमें copyright music होता है, like the dance videos I make, तो वो videos monetization में नहीं count होती है because उसमें copyright music used है. So we need to use copyright free music in our videos. एक बार मैंने गलती से मुझे लगा वो music free है, and when I uploaded the video I got to know that music isn't free. तो वो एक छोटे से पार्ट में है मेरे वीडियो में, but because of that small छोटा सा part, that video doesn't comes in monetization. So people watching that video won't gain me like watch time. It would gain me watch time, but that watch time wouldn't be considered for the monetization of my channel. So I request you guys to please watch my videos from the beginning to the end pura, so that the watch time increases of my channel, and also to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and please share my videos with your friends and family so that they also subscribe and watch my videos if they like it. So that's it. And yeah, question था when did I start my YouTube channel, वो भी बता दिया, कितना कुछ मैं साथ में बोल गई, sorry yeah, if you got bored. So now the next question is funny moment in your school days. ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जाऊँगी, 10th क्लास का ही बताती हूँ. So हमारा 5th पीरियड होता था हिंदी का, and me and my best friend used to sit together. 5th पीरियड हिंदी का होता था after the lunch break. तो जब हिंदी के मैम नोट्स रिसाइट करती थी, शी यूज़ टू टेल कि लिखो, तो हम जब लिखते थे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, तो बहुत बार ऐसा होता था कि कुछ मुश्किल वर्ड आता था जो हमसे लिखा नहीं जाता था. एक्चुअली कभी कभी हम बहुत छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स भी नहीं लिख पाते थे ऐसे ही मस्ती में, क्योंकि मेरा दिमाग कहीं और होता था. सो व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू डू, हम वो स्पेस खाली छोड़ देते थे, ब्लैंक छोड़ देते थे और आगे नेक्स्ट वर्ड लिख देते थे. तो वो स्पेस जब छूट जाती थी और ऐसे जैसे एक आंसर अगर हाफ पेज का आंसर है और ऐसे बहुत सारे जगह हमने ऐसे छोड़ दी, तो क्वेश्चन आंसर तो कुछ बचा ही नहीं बीच बीच में. तो हम वो देख के बाद में जब पीरियड ख़त्म हो जाता था, हम गाते थे वो देख के, बीच में उसको देख के. एंड आई डोंट नो क्यों, पर हम वो करते थे और हम वो हर बार करते थे. वो गाना हम हर बार गाते थे, मतलब हमारा पता नहीं क्या था हमारा उस गाने से. एक वो गाना, एक वो मूवी हमें बहुत पसंद थी उस टाइम पे, और हम एक और गाना गाते थे, वो था सुन मेरे हमसफ़र. हमारा स्कूल का एंथम था एक, जो है अभी भी, मतलब था नहीं है. तो हमने स्कूल एंथम का नाम उस मतलब स्कूल एंथम से लेके हमने उस गाने को दे दिया, और वो गाना था हमसफ़र. हम सारा टाइम बैठ के बस क्लास में वो गाना गाते रहते थे. ऑब्वियसली इन द फ्री पीरियड, नॉट हमेशा, मतलब जब भी फ्री होते थे वी यूज्ड टू सिंग दैट सॉन्ग. मुझे अभी इतनी हंसी आ रही है यार, वैसे आई मिस दोज डेज. इतने अच्छे दिन थे. देन नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ which all countries have you traveled so far? I haven't traveled any of the countries. मैं सिर्फ इंडिया में मैंने ट्रैवल करा, वो भी सिर्फ 2-3 जगह, लाइक मुंबई, बट उस टाइम मैं बहुत छोटी थी. आई रियली डोंट रिमेंबर, कुछ याद नहीं है मुझे. एंड देन आई वॉन्ट टू शिरडी. तब मतलब मुंबई शिरडी वी वेंट ऑन अ सिंगल ट्रिप, वो एक ट्रिप थी पूरी. सो मुझे वो दोनों जगह याद नहीं है. देन आई वेंट टू शिमला अगेन. मुझे वो फिर याद नहीं क्योंकि तब भी मैं छोटी थी. बट या जब मैं मुंबई गई थी तब मैं 3-4 ईयर्स की थी, और जब मैं शिमला गई थी तो मैं 7-8 ईयर्स की थी. पर मुझे दोनों ट्रिप्स याद नहीं है. देन देहरादून, दैट्स माई होम टाउन. वहाँ मैं गई हूँ बहुत बार, मतलब हर साल ही जाती हूँ. सो या वहाँ. एंड मनाली जो मैं आई हैवंट ट्रैवल्ड एनी कंट्रीज. ज़्यादा इंडिया भी ट्रैवल नहीं करा. आई हैव ओनली ट्रैवल्ड टू 3-4 प्लेसेस विच आई हैव टोल्ड यू गाइज. डू यू वॉच वेब सीरीज? विच इज़ योर फेवरेट शो? सो या वेब सीरीज कौन सी देखी है मैंने? आई हैवंट वॉच्ड एनी ऑफ दी वेब सीरीज़. मैं बहुत कम वेब सीरीज़ देखती हूँ. वन रीज़न इज़ दैट बिकॉज मेरे घर में मेरा छोटा भाई मेरे साथ रहता है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ हिम वी कैन नॉट वॉच एनी वेब सीरीज़. बिकॉज वेब सीरीज़ में थोड़ी सी वो थोड़ा सा एब्यूज़ करते हैं, एंड दैट्स वाई वी कैन नॉट वॉच दैट इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम. और वो सारा टाइम इधर ही रहता है, एंड स्पेशली जब से लॉकडाउन है लास्ट ईयर से, नन ऑफ अस आर गोइंग आउट, तो वो ज़्यादा ही यहीं रहता है. सो मैंने कोई भी वेब सीरीज़ नहीं देखी रिसेंट वाली जो रिलीज़ हुई है. बट या इनफैक्ट मैं कल ही रात को देख रही थी माइंडिंग दी मल्होत्रास, विच इज़ ऑन Amazon प्राइम, जो रिलीज़ तो 2-3 साल पहले हुई थी. एंड जब वो रिलीज़ हुई थी तब मैंने वो देखनी स्टार्ट करी थी, बट बीच में देन आई लेफ्ट इट बिकॉज एग्ज़ाम्स वगैरह आ गए थे. एंड फिर उसके बाद अब मैंने जाके वो फिर से देखी. सो आई एम अबाउट टू कम्प्लीट दैट सीरीज़. 1 या 2 एपिसोड्स बचे हैं, एंड वो मुझे अच्छी लगी. इट वॉज लाइक इट इज़ नाइस. एंड इफ़ यू टॉक माई फेवरेट शो, वेल दैट्स माई ऑल टाइम फेवरेट शो इज़ शरारत, Hannah Montana, Best of Luck Nikki, and Friends. Who can forget? अभी तो Friends reunion हुआ है. And I even created Rachel Green's look. So to watch that video, you can click on the I button above. So that's all I have seen. और कुछ मैंने ऐसे ज़्यादा देखा नहीं है वेब सीरीज़ में. I don't remember anything else. Yeah, that's all about the web series. So now the next question is, in which standard you are and where are you from? Standard मैंने बता दिया. I am in college first year. And where I'm from, basically I'm from Dehradun. My hometown is Dehradun. Even I was born there, but when I was 3 my parents shifted to Gurgaon. Actually I'm right now I just mixed Gurgaon and Gurugram, तो मैं कुछ अलग ही बोलना चाहती थी पर मैंने कंट्रोल कर लिया. So when I was 3 my parents shifted to Gurgaon, and since then I have been living here. But yeah, we do go in like summer vacations to Dehradun. मतलब हर साल में एक बार जाते ही जाते हैं. And that's also one of the reasons why I haven't travelled much other than Dehradun. बहुत कम जगह I have visited. So I'm from Dehradun, but currently I'm living in Gurgaon. Then the next question is, do you plan to come to Mumbai? Shishi is asking. Yes, I plan to come to Mumbai. Mumbai is my favorite destination. I want to visit that place for once. Like again, I have come there earlier, but मुझे फिर से आना, बिकॉज अब मैं जब आऊँगी तो मुझे सब कुछ याद रहेगा. और अब पहले आने का कोई लॉजिक नहीं था. सो दैट आई कैन रिमेंबर दैट सिटी. बहुत सारे रीजंस है मुझे वहाँ जाना है, बिकॉज वन, मेरे फेवरेट स्टार्स वहाँ रहते हैं. आई वांट टू मीट देम. पर मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं वहाँ जाके भी मिल पाऊँगी, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू मीट. Then I don't know, I just love that city. I do not know the reason, but I just love that city. I want to go. In fact, I even like want to like stay in that city. I want to make that city my home, but I don't know whether that will ever happen or not. But still, you know, if it was in my hand, I would take the next flight to Mumbai and come there, but it isn't in my hand. Also, one of the reasons why I love that city so much is that my favorite YouTuber Sejal Kumar like lived there for like 8 to 10 months before the lockdown. she rented an apartment and lived there. She's also from like Gurgaon, Delhi NCR, and she went there to live, to like experience the independent life. But when the lockdown happened, she came back to Delhi to live with her parents, and since then she's been living here. So she's my favorite YouTuber, and if you don't know who she is, then you can check out her channel also. You just need to search her, Sejal Kumar, and it would come. She's so popular. So that's also a reason why I wanna come to Mumbai. Then the next question is, what is in your bucket list? Bucket list. Well, I wanna launch my own clothing and makeup line, but I don't know how. Like, I've seen Cherry Jan. I hope you guys know her. Well, if you don't know, she used to work in PopXO, and now she has her own YouTube channel. You can check that out too. She makes some great content. You must check that out once. So basically, she recently like launched her own clothing line, which is Demera by Cherry Jan. So, and I've seen in her stories like how difficult it is to like open one and manage one, but still, I don't know, I feel like opening a clothing line or a makeup line, something, or a makeup collection, something of my own. So which is one of my things in my bucket list. Then yeah, one of the things that is in my bucket list is to travel to like new places, meet new friends. वैसे ये मैं बोलूँगी तो मेरे घर वाले हंसेंगे, मेरी मम्मी तो बहुत हंसेगी. ट्रैवल करना है, इसलिए हंसेंगे क्योंकि मैं इंट्रोवर्ट और मैं जाऊँगी ट्रैवल करने. बहुत हंसने वाले मुझे पता है, बट ठीक है. बट आई रियली वांट टू ट्रैवल. देन मेरा और क्या है बकेट लिस्ट में? बकेट लिस्ट में मेरा है वीडी से मिलना. आई लव हर से मिलना, दे आर माई फेवरेट्स. देन और क्या है अभी मेरी बकेट लिस्ट में? तो सबसे पहली चीज़ है 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स रीच करना. 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स एंड 4000 आवर्स ऑफ वॉच टाइम तक रीच करना, जो पता नहीं कैसे होएगा. आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट. आई एम मेकिंग सो मेनी वीडियोज़. आई होप वो जल्दी से पहुंच जाए. 4000 आवर्स ऑफ वॉचिंग जल्दी से हो जाए. दैट्स वन ऑफ द मेजर थिंग्स, और जो मैं अभी जिस पे अभी मेरा ज़्यादा फोकस है दैन एनीथिंग एल्स. सो या अभी इतना ही है बकेट लिस्ट में. ये बकेट लिस्ट बढ़ती रहती है. इट कीप्स ऑन गोइंग, इट नेवर एंड्स. हाँ, एक बकेट लिस्ट में मेरा है, एक पापी चाहिए मुझे, छोटा सा गोल्डन रिट्रीवर का, जो शायद कभी ना कभी तो आएगा ही. नॉट दैट कि मेरी फैमिली को उससे प्रॉब्लम है. इनफैक्ट माई फैमिली लव डॉग्स, बट डॉग को रखना इज़ अ वेरी बिग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. इट्स लाइक अ न्यूबॉर्न बेबी कमिंग इन टू योर हाउस. तो इसलिए वी आर थिंकिंग कि लेना चाहिए या नहीं लेना चाहिए, बिकॉज बहुत सारा काम होता है उसके साथ. सो दैट्स वाई. बट या दैट्स ऑल्सो इन माई बकेट लिस्ट. मैं कभी ना कभी तो लूँगी, और लूँगी मैं गोल्डन रिट्रीवर ही, because I just love golden retrievers. They're so cute, man. Then the next question is, who is your most favorite person? My most favorite person. Who would be my most favorite person? Okay, so yeah, I just went to my mom to ask this question, and she was like, एक ही इंसान हो सकता है. And I was like, who? And she was like, वरुण धवन. और कौन? सारा टाइम तो उसी की बातें चलती रहती है, और क्या काम है? सारा टाइम बैठ के जो नोटिस करता है उसको घूरती रहती है. So I'm like, so yeah, maybe वरुण धवन हो सकता है. I really don't know who is my most favorite person. क्या इंसान हूँ मैं? One of a kind. मोस्ट फेवरेट पर्सन मम्मी हो सकती है. सारा टाइम मम्मी करती रहती हूँ. ओके, सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, Your favorite fictional character? Well, definitely it will have to be one of Varun Dhawan's character. Well, actually एक नहीं है, 2-3 है जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. हमटी बद्री, वो तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Then there is Moji. He's very cute. I just love Moji. He's very cute. Yeah, these are the 3 characters that I love. Now only a few of the questions are left that I'll be answering. So yeah, one of that is, would you rather have the power to be invisible or read others people's mind? Well, I would want to read other people's mind, because then I would know that what's on their mind, and I'll try and not hurt them or make them sad if I know that what are they thinking about. So I would rather have the power to read someone's mind rather than being invisible. Then the next question is, who is your inspiration? My inspiration is Sejal Kumar. मैंने पहले भी बताया. She makes YouTube videos, and yeah, I'm really inspired by her to just start a YouTube channel at the age of 18. She started at 19, I started at 18. So she actually inspired me to start a YouTube channel, and then how to manage it, and a few things, what type of content to make. Although she doesn't make much of makeup videos, she makes more of fashion videos. I also want to make that, but currently I'm trying to understand the things related to that. So that's why I'm not making videos related to fashion right now. So she is a big inspiration to me. Also Cherry Jain, I just love her videos. Her videos are a little more relatable. Even Sejal Kumar's videos are relatable, but some of them are you can't relate to them. But Cherry Jain's content is totally relatable. So that's why these 2 people are my big inspiration, and that's why I started my YouTube channel at the age of 18. So then the next question is, a food item you can eat for the rest of your life. A food item, you're just talking about one? I can tell that millions. Well, I can eat chocolate chip ice cream, choco brownie ice cream. I can eat Maggi for the rest of my life. I can eat kathi rolls for the rest of my life. I can eat biryani for the rest of my life. Kebabs. Well, that list never ends. So बहुत लंबी list है. So I just told you a few of the things that are my extremely favorite. So now the last question is, have you tried out Jolo Chips challenge? And if you haven't, then you must try out. Well, Jolo Chips, you're talking about Jolo Chips. I think those chips are the most spiciest in the world. And I really cannot eat spicy food, man. I don't think I would ever be able to do that challenge. But okay, I'll try that out once. I don't know whether it would be possible for me to do that challenge or not. Firstly, I need someone with me to compete in that challenge. So पहले तो वही ढूंढना पड़ेगा, and then जब वो कोई मिल जाएगा, then only I will do that challenge. So let me find a person to do that challenge with first. So I really cannot try out those chips because they are very spicy as far as I know. I haven't tasted them, but जैसे मैंने videos देखे, according to that it's very spicy. So let's see whether I'll be able to do that or not, because according to me I cannot, because I cannot resist spicy food at all. But let's do a thing that you all decide whether should I do that challenge or not. Comment yes or no with the challenge name. If you guys comment yes, then I'll be doing that challenge, and I know मैं एक chips खा के ही मर जाऊँगी इतनी मिर्ची से. So let's see. कुछ twist के साथ कर लूँगी challenge. चलो, कुछ ideas आ रहे हैं मेरे दिमाग में. So let's see. But you guys do comment and let me know that do you want me to do that Jolo Chips challenge. मुझे सोच के डर लग रहा है, but देखते हैं क्या होता है. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, then please like this video and share this with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.